I'm one of the first people to get their hands on this device right here. You're looking at the LoRaSecrt. This device grabbed my attention because it's an all-in-one gadget. It has LoRa communications, a flashlight, a radio, it has a charging bank, it has wireless charging, solar charging, it has everything you would need all in one little package. We're going to start with the unboxing, so if you want to skip it, skip to the timestamp below. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So getting my hands on this device, now it looks a lot heavier than it is. It's actually fairly light. It's covered with some hard plastic. It has your normal USB-A, USB-C, and a headphone jack on the device, so you can actually listen to the radio, which we'll demo later. Flashlight's really good on this device. As you see here, I turned off everything in my studio. This thing gets really bright, has a flashing feature, and I want to show just in case somebody has issues with that. And you can tell in this video that the flashlight is really good. I was impressed. Now, usually when you get these multi-tools, especially when it comes to survival multi-tools, the flashlights aren't too bright on them, but this one was really bright. Now, I was curious to see how this thing is actually built, so I ended up taking it apart. I don't know if I was supposed to do this, but here we are. You see the battery, you see the LoRa chip, you see the whole board, how everything is run. You see where the GPS antenna is. You see where the solar plate is for the charging. It's not a bad setup. I think they did a good job in there. You are getting a 10,000 milliamp hour battery with this thing, and having that solar panel for solar charging does make this a little bit more capable, but everything is nicely laid out in here. It does feel a little bit more premium than some gadgets out there, and it's fairly big, but nicely organized, robust, and a good feel inside and out. Now, it also has an FM radio. I got it to play some music. I'm not going to show you here for obvious reasons, but it does work. But it's hard to use, and it's not great with range, but it does work. It also does wireless charging, as you can see here, and this thing has really cool lights when the thing is active. I just took the phone off and you get these nice green LEDs. You got some other indicator lights here. The solid blue is your Bluetooth connection, the green is your LoRa, and when the device is sending messages, you actually see the middle light flicker on and off. Now, this device comes with its own app. So it doesn't work with Meshtastic or Meshcore, so it uses LoRa and it has its own app messaging system. You could even make phone calls off the internet. And you have to set up an account to do all this, and you need to set up 2 different accounts so you can use 2 different devices. So it's like one account is tied to one device. You're able to make a name and add friends and make phone calls, text, and you can send emergency SOS. You can keep track of devices and their locations. It's really cool. It's a little bit bulky at first setting it up, but it did work. I tested all the features. I was going back and forth with testing it, the device you saw in the video and the device I'm recording with. So for people that don't know, you have the Bluetooth connection to your phone, and that's how you interact with the device, and you're able to use the app and communicate. You're going to need to have one device tethered to one phone, and right now you're seeing the lights indicate that you're in the SOS mode. So to trigger that, you need to hold the volume up and down button, and then you'll get this on your app. SOS mode, turn on, you hit OK. And once you do that, over LoRa, you're going to send a message, just like a text message, but it's automatic to the devices that you have on your list, the ones that you added or ones that are close by, and you're going to notice that it gives you the GPS coordinates. So it's really nice that you can just click on SOS mode and you can just give someone your location. The only problem with this app and the device is that it's locked down to its own environment. So if you send this SOS and somebody else doesn't have the LoRaSecrt, then you're out of luck. But on the other side, since it's their ecosystem, they can fine tune it to the device and squeeze every ounce of performance out of it to get the best quality results. And once you make an account, if somebody else has this device, you can add them as a friend, and then you can save them in your contacts, and you can just direct message them. I believe it's just direct messaging over LoRa, not the internet, but I could be wrong. So as long as you're within range, I believe you could direct message, kind of like how you can set up different Meshtastic dedicated channels for certain things. Unfortunately, I don't have that much documentation on this device or the app because it's just so new. I was able to figure out the app just by poking around. So if I could figure it out, you could too. But I look forward to later getting some more information. This way I can dive deeper into it. But all in all, was not a bad experience. I think it's a really cool device. I think that having a dedicated survival multi-tool is really good to have. Again, this gadget is locked down and it's locked down to its own LoRa environment. I hope in the future that maybe they will make a change. If you're interested about this device, I'll leave the links in the description. I believe it's going to be going live at the end of March, so you can go ahead and pre-order this if you would like. Now, normally the device is $300, but you can get $100 off if you get the device early. The best deal I saw for early bird special is this one right here for the $269. Instead of paying $600 for devices, you basically pay half price. To the team at LoRaSecrt, thank you very much for sending this device out to me for testing and review. For everybody watching, do me a favor and remember that safety is an illusion.